Hi everyone, and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making a tiny little crochet button as part of our 2-skein cotton challenge. And for this project, I'm going to be working with size 4 worsted weight cotton yarn, and this is just the Lily Sugar and Cream brand. I'm also going to be using a size G or 6 or 4.25 millimeter crochet hook. And we're going to begin with a magic circle, and we're going to place 6 single crochets inside of it. And if you're unfamiliar with any of the stitches used in this pattern, then please check the links in the description because I will have my stitch tutorials listed down there for you. And once you have your 6 single crochets inside your magic circle, then you're just going to pull on that tail to tighten the gap in the circle. And I am not going to be crocheting over my tail because I'm going to use it to stuff my button. From here, I'm going to place 1 single crochet in each stitch in my row. So I should have a total of 6 single crochets when I'm done. And this is going to be a continuous loop pattern, which means we won't be starting and stopping each individual row, but instead it's going to act like a spiral. And when you get to the end of your row, you're just going to turn your button inside out like this. Then you're going to take your tail and stuff it in what you've already created right here. It doesn't seem like much, but it is. It'll be just enough to stuff your button. And from here, we're going to single crochet 2 stitches together at a time. So I'll show you how to do that. You're going to insert your crochet hook up underneath your first stitch and yarn over and pull up through. Then up underneath your next stitch and yarn over and pull up through. Then you're going to yarn over and drop the 3 loops on your crochet hook. And we're just going to repeat that 2 more times to get all the way around our row. And I am just going to slip stitch in one of these stitches. So there's 2 other stitches. I'm just going to pick one and I'm going to place a slip stitch in it. And then we're going to cut and tie off our yarn. We're going to use this tail to attach to our crochet projects. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were making this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.